As you know, Bitget recently announced that they are having another Launchpad, which is T2T2 token, and all the community base is pretty excited hearing about that news. All of them are getting ready and preparing their BGB to share an allocation of the Launchpad itself, but for everyone who currently cannot afford it, there is a good alternative to it. In today's video, we will get deep into the Learn to Earn for T2T2 token presented by Bitget. Bitget are thrilled to introduce the Learn to Earn event, giving you the opportunity to boost your crypto knowledge and earn your share of 10,000 BGB tokens, and this event will run from October 30th, 2023 to November 6th, 2023, so be ready and prepare yourself to answer the tasks that we will be providing. Now let's go to details. There is several approach to this event and how you are getting free T2T2 token. 1. Participate in the T2T2 Launchpad quiz. A. Everyone scores a perfect grade in the Launchpad quiz can win 10 points. B. Be one of the first 200 participants to score a perfect grade in our 6/6 Launchpad quiz. C. Each of these top 200 participants will receive a random reward ranging from 2 to 20 BGB. 2. Launchpad participation rewards. A. Correctly answer the Learn to Earn questions, and, for those who successfully create or join a team in T2T2 Launchpad, an opportunity to earn even more. This offers is limited to the top 100 users. These participants can win extra rewards from 2 to 30 BGB. And that is the details on how to participate. But in this video I will also remind you on how to join the Launchpad. Here are the details. Sign up for a Bitget account or login. Deposit USDT and buy BGB token before calculation and holding moment started. Hold through the snapshot period. After that you will be getting a finalized allocation, then commit your BGB. Then you will get your T2T2 distributed. The Bitget Launchpad is a cannot miss, as historically they are performing good. So let's jump in and be part of it. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more.